Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. And yes, Formula One, there's no Formula One this weekend, so let's build a little bit of Formula One, the Senna, Lotus, Renault. So let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. Okay, right in front of me we've got the parts for stage 81, and let's get into this beautiful build. We're putting these two together with a DP screw. Let's get a good screwdriver out. So we've got that little thing put together. Then we put it on this side and put it together like so. And then we put some more DPs on that to put those together. And then we put it on like so. And one more DP. And then we need to look in the box of all parts, because I need something from stage 80 that we have not touched, and which is in here. Yes, it is. And that is what we should have. Now we're going to put it onto the car. No, we're not. More parts, which I already put on. It's right. Sorry about that. I did not show you. That silvery thing, that was what the next thing we're supposed to put in. And then this little thing should keep it together, something like that. I don't know what they want exactly, but that's fine. This came loose. That's not supposed to be the loose. There we go. Then we are put these two hoses together with this thing. There we go. We've got that together. And I think that is what we were waiting for, because I stuffed this one up. But I did not get a new part for that. So we'll see if we can go on. We cannot do that. So we cannot go on with this one. So we put that on, and we're waiting for the part that is behind here. So I'm putting this aside and see if what we're going on with is something we can do, and then the fix we do a little bit later. So let's have a look at 82. We can at least make these things, but we cannot put them on, but we can make them. Wait for a stage number that I ordered. So we've got that bracket that we're gonna put right there, and then put two of those EPs on them. Then we get an IP out and put that one on. It's in an angle, but it's properly in there, and I need to, there we go, it's in properly now. So that is what we should have. Then we're going to put this on top of it. So we're pushing those together, and we're putting that little thing in there, and that is what we have at that moment, and that's all we do in this stage. So let's go straight to the next one. Which is 83, as you can see right there. So these are the parts. This isn't hard to figure out, guys. We put that onto there with some DP screws. Then we put this one on and put another DP on, and then put that one over it. And that is what we should have then. And we cannot put it on because we haven't got the proper parts for it. So we're going to put it to a side, and we will fix it when it's there. I will make a video when that is all done to put it all together. But thank you very much for watching. Again, please like, subscribe and pass it on, and I will finish this off and I will put the parts on the proper position. But I haven't got a stage, the whole parts that I stuffed up the last time, as you saw in that video, which is that part. I stuffed it up completely, did not look properly at what the build guide said, but well, that's it. It happens. But I have to wait for that part to come in. They said it would come in with the next one, but I just got packed in, which is first two of these, so I have to wait another 2 months for that to come in. I will go on as much as possible and see when that stuff comes in, so I can fix it all. But thank you very much again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time on that build. You're not seeing anything at all. Rup. That build, or anyone in the back, or on my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.